If you're serious about cooking, you need a reliable thermometer. Check out the Alpha Griller's Instant Read Food Thermometer, a must-have tool for anyone who loves precision in the kitchen. With its advanced technology, this thermometer provides fast, accurate readings in just 2 to 3 seconds. You can trust it for everything from meats to liquids, deep frying, and even candy making. The bright blue backlight and large display make it super easy to read. No squinting or guesswork, just clear readings in any lighting. And don't worry about cleanup, this thermometer is water resistant with an IP66 rating. Whether you're using it for your barbecue, air fryer, oven, or smoker, this thermometer is designed to handle it all. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this tool will help you get perfect results every time.